In this video, we'll show you how to program your key with your vehicle. This video was made specifically for the vehicles shown in the description. Even though your key and vehicle may look different, the steps you follow are exactly the same. Remember, you must have at least one existing working key to begin. Don't forget to read the video description for more important information, including step-by-step written instructions. These instructions are for pairing with the Car Keys Express Universal Easy Installer. To begin the pairing process, download the Universal Easy Installer app from Google Play or the App Store. You can find links in the description below. Open app. Select Key Pairing. Scan barcode on Universal Easy Installer. Enter year, make and model. Select key type. In the next step, you'll need to locate your vehicle's onboard diagnostic port. The exact location can be found in your vehicle's manual. Most are located below the steering column. Plug Easy Installer. Go to Bluetooth phone settings and pair Easy Installer to mobile device. Select Allow. Return to the app and wait for a green connected to show on the OBD port image in the app. Turn the ignition to on with the new key within the time 30 seconds. Select the number of keys you want to pair to the vehicle. Device will communicate with the vehicle and pair the new key. Close the app once key pairing complete is displayed. Remove key from ignition and then reinsert it to test. If you found this video helpful, leave a comment below. Be sure to like and subscribe, then hit the bell icon to be notified of new videos. If you need replacement keys for your vehicle, be sure to check us out online.